Have you thought about watering your plants while you're on vacation when you're not at home? Well, believe it or not, there are solutions for when you're away. So if you're leaving for less than a week, or even a week or a little more, just give your plants a good watering before you go. We can even take it a little further. Water your plants with plain water 2 days before you leave, and the day before you go, give them some fertilizer. When you come back, your plants will be thriving. As a rule, whether you're leaving for a long time or not, the priority is to place your plants in the shade, but where there's still plenty of light. If you're going away for several weeks, that's when things start to get tricky. So there's always the option of rigging up a water reservoir using a plastic bottle. You pierce the cap, fill the bottle, and place it on the plant. Little by little, the water will drip out and keep the root ball moist for several weeks. Here, it's a saucer placed outside, but indoors you use exactly the same method. The idea is simply to have a water reservoir tray at the bottom of your pot. You pour water into this tray, and then little by little the plants will absorb the moisture over several weeks. But if you only have a few plants, what I'm showing you here isn't necessary. This is an automatic watering system. It's a timer. This allows you, if you have a lot of plants, to be able to water them. You can even leave for almost 6 months, and your plants will be watered thanks to a drip system. It's pretty much the same thing you find outdoors, but you can also use it indoors. But be careful. Make sure to check your pipes for leaks before you leave. So Oyas are all the rage right now. Oyas that you can use outdoors or indoors, but it does cost a bit of money. This is much cheaper than Oyas. It's a terracotta waterer topped with a plastic bottle filled with water. Just like Oyas, through capillary action, the plant will be watered for several weeks. Or there's one last solution. Ask your neighbor to come and water your plants while you're away. But above all, tell them, don't overwater. Watering once or twice a week will be enough. And most importantly, make sure they don't come and water heavily, soaking your plants the day before you return from vacation. One last little tip. It's not enough just to water. You also need to fertilize and feed your plants. All you have to do is add a tiny bit of fertilizer to your watering water, reduce the recommended dose on the package by 4, and when you return, your plants will be wonderful